here we are at the workshop at Schmiedmann Odense. We are here to style a BMW E82 135 IS Coupe. Let's have a look. The 135 IS has many details from the 1M, like for instance the same brakes. Quite a powerful little coupe with 326 brake horsepower. Great little car. Let's have a look how it turns out. Let us know if you like content like this and share it with a friend so that they can know that Schmiedmann.com is the way to go if you need parts for your BMW or Mini, or just great content about BMW and Mini. Stay tuned.